Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which we are going to proceed with the coding of this ESP32 board. Now, in the setup function, we need to start the serial communication for debugging purposes at 9600 baud rate, and we need to begin the Blynk app connection using the Blynk.begin. It will take the authentication key, the SSID for the Wi-Fi network, and the password as input. And we need to start the DHT sensor library. Then we need to set the timer limit interval for the first and second timer. So timer.set interval and set interval. Now the set interval function for the timer will take two parameters. The first one is the time. We need to send DH sensor values every 2 or let's say 3 seconds, and you need to define the function that you need to send. So send sensor DH, and the second one we will send the level and soil moisture level sensor data every 6 seconds. Now copy this and paste it here. That's it. Now inside the loop function we need to write Blynk.run to run the Blynk connection, and we need to run the timer too. Now just to make sure that we have everything correct, timer, great. Now click verify to make sure that we don't have any errors. We will get back to the code once we set up the Blynk app and we have our authentication code, and we will enter our Wi-Fi SSID name and password in the practical lesson at the end. That's it for this lesson. What we have done here is basically we have started the serial communication, the Blynk setup or begin function, and the DHT sensor library. We have set the timer interval for the first method and the second method. So we will get DH sensor values every 3 seconds, and we will get the water and soil moisture level sensors value every 6 seconds. And inside the loop, we use the run function for the Blynk and the timer libraries. That's it. This is everything that you need to do. If you have any question regarding any of these steps, I'm here to help you. Thanks for watching. Next, we will explain the Blynk app. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.